channel. My name is Rahat, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. And yeah, I hope you all are doing well, and this festive season is going well according to the other festivals of this 2020. So the purpose of making this video, you must have got to know from the thumbnail and also the title, but still I want to tell you that whatever products I have finished till now, I'll be making this video all about that, because I wanted to share my experience, my review about these products. Like, there are skincare plus makeup products included in this one. So if you wanna know what all I have included, keep watching this video. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, you guys. That will mean the world to me. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the very first thing, my holy grail, is this moisturizer right here. This is by Nivea, and I really like this, and I have a backup for it, and you can see I have got the bigger one instead. And yeah, let me tell you, this is a very nice moisturizing cream. If you are combination to normal kind of skin person, you can just invest in this one, you guys. You don't have to invest like in very expensive moisturizers right there. You just have to get the right one. I mean, moisturizer just works really well on your skin when it just suits you, and yeah, it suits me really well, and I just love to use it. So you can see I have got the backup already, so you must have got to know that how much I love it. Next thing is again SPF. Like, this is also my everyday use, so this is almost like over, but there are still like 3-4 uses left in this tub right here, so tube right here. Oh my god. So I just want to get one more for me, like the backup of it. I haven't bought this yet, so I will just buy this very soon. Alright, so next up is this one. This is Nivea Nourishing Intensive Moisture Care. I don't know if you people like it. I personally didn't like it, even though it is very moisturizing, but it is kind of it is very thick and very sticky on your skin, and I like moisturizers which are very mild and very, like, it should get dissolved in my skin, and I don't want something like very thick on my skin and which I feel for longer time. Like, I just want a moisturizer which just melts in my skin, and it just makes my skin moisturized throughout the day. This is good, but I really don't like its texture basically. So its texture is very thick, so that is the reason I don't like this. So currently I'm using the other variant of Nivea, which is this one. This is Sheer Smooth. It has shea butter in it, and it is very mild and very thin, and like, its consistency is just perfect, which I want. So currently I'm just switching to this one from this one, and I won't recommend this to you if you don't like the thick texture as well. After moisturizers, here comes the base, which is this Pond's BB cream. I can't tell you how much I love this product. Like, I have bought n number of tubes like this, like the bigger ones, not even the smaller ones, you guys. I just love this stuff so much. This is my holy grail for daily makeup look, and right now also I'm wearing this only underneath, and nothing like foundation or anything like my base. And when it comes to daily routine or daily kind of a makeup look, I just prefer BB creams, because this is not heavier on your skin and doesn't like clog your pores or anything, and you can wear it like throughout the day. And this is also super light on your skin, so you don't really feel like you are applying anything or you have anything on your face. So I definitely recommend you guys this one. I also have got the backup of it. I wasn't getting the bigger one, so I got the smaller one, but it's okay. It lasts me quite longer, so it's okay. I will buy the next tube as soon as it gets over. So yeah, I just love this one and definitely recommend you guys. Alright, so let's start with the makeup products now. So the very first thing I'm seeing right here is this LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is in the shade Pure Beige. Now let me talk about this one. I mean, this is the best drugstore concealer right there. I mean, guys, if you have dark circle issues, you should just invest in this one. This is not that expensive as well. This is like 600 bucks, and it will last you like too long. And this is like full coverage and very beautiful concealer. So if you want to invest in something which lasts you longer and which just hides all of your dark circles and dark spots, you must invest in this one. I don't have a backup of this right now. I've got the other shade in this, so I won't compare this to that because that is the highlighting one, and this is definitely a concealer which conceals the dark circles and dark spots. So yeah, definitely recommended, and yeah, again my holy grail. So the next thing which I've got over here is this strobing cream by Maybelline. I can't tell you how much I love this and how much I have used out of it. Like, you can't even just get a drop of it like from it. So it is just over, and I don't know if I'll buy it one more time because I am just looking out for something new this time. So I might invest in something else instead of this one. This is indeed a very nice strobing cream. You can just mix it with your foundation. You can apply it as it is as well. If you don't want to go with very heavy base or something, you can just apply this with a BB cream and you're good to go. Next thing is this beauty right here. This is Makeup Revolution's Highlight and Contour Pro. I can't even read. You could see here like it's all rubbed off, like how much I have used out of it. Oh my god, I just love this palette so much, guys. If you are a beginner and don't want to invest in n number of palettes or n number of products, you can just invest in a palette like this for your contour, for your bronzer, for your highlight. Like, you get 2 highlighting powders, 2 highlighters, and 4 bronzing and contouring colors, and this suits really well to any Indian skin tone. So definitely recommended, and I haven't got the backup of it because I want to try new products, and even you won't like it like if I use only 1 or 2 products in my tutorials. So for that purpose as well, I will just invest in something else and I won't be buying it. But definitely recommended for beginners and people who don't want to invest in more bronzers and contours separately. You can buy this palette and you're sorted. So the next stuff is this beauty right here. This is PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I don't know if I have to talk about this because whenever you'll go to buy this online on any site, this is always out of stock. Like, even right now I want a backup of this one, but I am not getting it. If you get your hands on this, please send it to me because I need it so badly right now. I just love this stuff so much, you guys. This is so fine mist, and it'll set your makeup like none other, and I just love this product so much. If you haven't tried this yet, then I don't know which world you're staying in, and you are just missing out something in your life. So if you want to invest in a good makeup fixer and also budget friendly, this is for 900 bucks, not at all expensive, because this will last more than a year to you if you are not a everyday makeup wearer or something. But I just love this stuff, and I'm definitely gonna take a backup of it, and yeah, definitely recommend it. So that was all about my moisturizers and makeup stuff. Let's come to the removers, makeup removers. So the very first thing which I have got here is this micellar water by Garnier, and this works really well for me. So I don't want to invest, or I don't have to invest in any other stuff or any other micellar water as such. If you are wearing any kind of waterproof ones, so I just kind of mix it with my coconut oil, and I just remove my waterproof makeups with it. If you wear normal makeup, this will remove it like anything in 5 seconds, like you can see in the ads, and it is not at all false. So yeah, I just love this stuff, and also I have got the backup of it, which is right here. Like you can see, it is all over, and I have got the backup already. And I never buy the smaller bottle of these because I wear makeup every day or every second day, because of videos, and also if I'm going out, so I need to have these in my life. So yeah, here is the backup, and definitely recommend it. Alright, so next up is this baby right here. This is Johnson's Baby Skincare Wipes. Yes, I use this and not anything else to remove the extra makeup of mine, or if I have a fallout. You must have seen me in n number of videos using a wipe, and this is the wipe which I use, and I just love it. This is so gentle on your skin, and definitely it is made for babies, so yeah, you won't get any harm out of it. So yeah, I just love this stuff. I still need to get a backup of it, so I will get it. It's Sunday today, so I will get it today itself, so that I don't have to worry about my fallouts and my makeup removing and anything like that. So yeah, I just love this and definitely recommend this to you. So yeah, let's move on to skincare, and the very first product is right here. This is the papaya glow face mask by Good Vibes. I will just open it and show you. Like, I have too many face masks, so I have used out of it like a lot, but still I don't know if I'm gonna repurchase it. I will just see to it, like, if I need it, because there are so many good companies like which are making these masks, you know, and in a different forms, in new forms. Like, there are so many good and new formulas coming in face masks, so I will definitely try other products as well. So for now I will just say goodbye to it. Alright, so the last stuff is this is Unlock Mixify Skin Serum, and let me tell you, this contains vitamin C, and I use it in the morning before my moisturizer, or also I mix it with my moisturizers. So this is like very pocket friendly and very good vitamin C. If you are looking for a vitamin C serum, you should just invest in this one first and just see it, how does it work on your skin, because I just love this one, and definitely I will purchase this one more time. I am gonna repurchase it. Like, this is like almost over, and this will last me for a month now still. So yeah, because I have been using 2-3 serums right now. Maybe I will include them in my next empties video. So yeah, if you're looking for a good and pocket friendly vitamin C serum, you can just invest in this one. Let me tell you, this is for 499 bucks, and if there is any discount or something going on, you get it for lesser as well. So yeah, I just love this one and definitely recommend it. I'm so sorry that wasn't the last product. This is the last product, which is this Live On Serum Vitamin E Control Frizz, and I don't know, I have been using it since so long time now, and by the time I was using it, there were so many new products which came into the market, and I just want to try other products despite this. And before it got over, like, I purchased a new one already, which is this one. This is called Color Protect Serum by Livon, and this is basically for color treated hair. I'm again telling you that my hair is color treated, so yeah, I just needed something like this, so I purchased this one. And also, you must have seen me using the L'Oreal one, which is the very new one. I will just show you. Alright, so it's right here. So this is again a very nice serum, and I still have to open this one, so can't tell you about this one a lot. And yeah, about this one, like, if it gets over, I'm not gonna repurchase it, but in future maybe I repurchase and use it again. But for now, I'm saying bye to this baby as well. Alright, you guys, that's all for today's video. If you liked it, do give a thumbs up to this video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so that anytime in future I post a new video, you get a notification. And yeah, also I wanted to share a small thing with you. Like, it's not been a long time that I have started my YouTube, and I have got so many loving subscribers already, but there are a few, I don't know for what reason they don't like me, and for what, मैं इसको हिंदी में बोलूँगी कि बहुत सारे लोग हैं कि मुझे अभी ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुआ YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करके या वीडियोस बनाते हुए. आई जस्ट लव्ड इट. मेरे को लॉकडाउन में कुछ तो करने के लिए मिला. आई थिंक मुझे कुछ प्रोडक्टिव करने के लिए मिला, और मैं बहुत ही ग्रेटफुल हूँ उसके लिए. एंड आई डोंट नो, कुछ लोग हैं जो कि हेट फैला रहे हैं ऑलरेडी मेरे YouTube चैनल पे, मुझे नहीं पता वो कौन है, लेकिन कॉन्स्टेंटली एवरी वीडियो पे उनका एक डिसलाइक आना ज़रूरी है। एंड वो कुछ ना कुछ गलत कमेंट्स भी कर देते हैं। आई डोंट नो, मेरे इतने सब्सक्राइबर्स नहीं हैं अभी कि मैं ये सब कुछ सह सकूं। तो मैं कभी कभी बहुत डिप्रेशन में चली जाती हूँ, या फिर मुझे बहुत ही बुरा लग जाता है कि यार ये कौन लोग हैं, मैं जिनको जानती भी नहीं हूँ। एंड दे जस्ट रैंडमली कम्स ऑन माई चैनल एंड दे जस्ट डिसलाइक माई वीडियोज़ बिना देखे उसको। आई नो कि वो पूरा वीडियो भी नहीं देखते हैं। एंड दे जस्ट हैव दैट हैबिट। आई डोंट नो उनकी लाइफ में कितनी नेगेटिविटी है ऑलरेडी, कि अल्लाह उनको सब्र दे, अल्लाह उनको सही रास्ता दिखाए। कि पता नहीं उनकी लाइफ क्यों इतनी नेगेटिव है कि वो हर किसी के बारे में नेगेटिव सोचते हैं। एंड दे जस्ट कम ऑन माई चैनल रैंडमली एंड दे जस्ट क्लिक दी डिसलाइक बटन। सो दैट काइंड ऑफ जस्ट डिसहार्टन्स मी। मैं डीमोटिवेट तो बिल्कुल नहीं होती हूँ, मैं वीडियोस बनाती रहूँगी और ज़रूर बनाती रहूँगी। मैं किसी के लिए भी वो नहीं छोड़ने वाली हूँ, बिकॉज मेरे पास उससे बहुत अच्छी ऑडियंस है जो कि मुझे सपोर्ट करती है और मुझे पॉजिटिव कमेंट्स आते हैं उनसे हर वीडियो पे। और दे डू मेक श्योर दैट दे वॉच माई वीडियोज़। सो या आई डोंट गेट डीमोटिवेटेड लाइक दैट। लेकिन मुझे लगा कि मुझे आज ये शेयर करना चाहिए। और मुझे बहुत ही बुरा लगता है। आपको जो भी पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है मुझसे, आप मुझे डायरेक्टली मैसेज कर लो, या फिर आप किसी से मेरा नंबर ले लो और मुझे डायरेक्टली बोल दो मुंह पर आके। बट स्टॉप स्प्रेडिंग हेट। ये जो नफ़रत आप फैला रहे हो, जो भी ये गलत बातें कर रहे हो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, मुझे वो बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लग रहा। और मैं दिल से चाहती हूँ कि आप कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो अपनी लाइफ में, क्योंकि आप दूसरे की सक्सेस नहीं देख पा रहे हो। गाइज मैं किसी का बुरा नहीं चाहती हूँ। आई डोंट हैव एनी हार्श फीलिंग और हार्ड फीलिंग इन माई हार्ट फॉर एनी बडी। तो जो भी मुझे सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, whoever I has subscribed to my channel and who watches my videos and do comment like they just make my day by commenting and liking my videos, and I'm really grateful to that. And yeah, I just don't want any hatred, any negativity around me. So yeah, जो भी ये कर रहा है, please stop it right here. अभी भी वक्त है, आप बिल्कुल रुक जाओ। just make yourself more positive, and I just wish you a good mental health. And yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope आपको अच्छी लगी होगी. So do subscribe to my channel you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Bye guys.